Everyone. Myself Rakhi. My topic is Mandai, a daily based market in Nasik. In today's time, we know that due to the online retail shops, offline retail shops has been less experienced. But when it comes to the daily necessities and food availability ingredients, it is important for us to visit the shops and buy fruits and vegetables from there, which are the basic and daily needs for us. Some attributes that has to be given are the plurality existence, chaos and orders, the self safe pedestrian environment. It should have a single stop availability. According to the program, we have vegetable, fruits, flowers, groceries, meat, fish, dairy, bakeries, masalas, dry fruits, and some seasonal products and goods shops also. In total, we have 360 shops to be placed here in the market. It is given in Nasik. Nasik is 577 meters above the sea level, and it comes under the tropical climate. Here summers are much rainier than the winters. The average annual temperature is 21.1 degrees Celsius, and 1134 mm of precipitation falls annually. So the major winds we observe are from the west side and for the 8 months, and for the rest of the months we experience it from the east side. The sun passes through south from east to west. The total area we have is approximately 11,880 square meters. The site on the two sides has the roads, one of 24 meters and another is 30 meters. It is connected to a circle which creates a chaurasta. It is connected to the highway and to the city center mall, which is a big place in Nasik right now. Case study of Dandaji market, which is located in Central Africa in Nigeria. Total area is 7,530 square meter. The basic need to provide this market was generally in Nigeria they have a weekly market or monthly market. So to overcome this problem, a weekly market, a daily based market was to be built. So this was Dandaji market they built for the local people there. This was made using the metal sheets which were acting as solar panels, which had colorful sheets which acted as trees, that is covering shades also, and also were used for the electrical purpose of the villages near about. The market is very simple, but they had played with the ancestral trees which were already placed there, and they didn't remove it. They used it very beautifully in their design. This is the roof plan. On the edges of the site, we can see loading and unloading areas, and the service entries are provided. The main entrance to the site is from the 30 meters wide road, and two secondary entrances are provided from 24-meter wide roads. Then the internal circulation has been provided. It is the internal shops are 0 0.6 meters above the ground level. Talking about the parking, two-wheeler and four-wheeler parkings are provided near to the entry so that people can park their cars and two-wheelers and uh, directly enter to the market. And so the vehicular movement stops at one point, and the other activities get started, and it does not create a chaos. It works in an order. The green areas are provided to make environment more lively and happening. Internally, two courtyards are been provided where one has a step-like profile and can be used for sitting purposes, and nearer that two eatery shops are provided, which is also a bakery shop. From there, people can enjoy their time. Every shop has been placed on the ground floors because it becomes easy for the customer and the vendors also to access it properly and easily. When we enter the site from the 30-meter wide road, on the left hand side we have a wet area, where on the first we have a vegetable market. When we enter further inside, we have fruits and flowers market. Up next to it we have a bakery shop which also acts as eateries. Internally we have a recreational area. On the right hand side we have the groceries and masala shops, condiments shops. um, Next to it, we have provided a toilet, which is an important part. The whole site consists of two toilets, two toilets separately and one toilet which is attached to the retiring room. Next to the toilet, there is a green area which again resists the smell and odor. Next to it, we have seasonal shops and dairy products. Many of the shops are being provided at the edges so that the loading and unloading becomes easier for them. Next to it, we have a retiring room. Behind retiring room, there is a loading and unloading parking where people can load their trucks. Next, we have the last thing which we have is the fish market and poultry market, as it creates more odor and smell. It is when placed at the last, and the wind comes from the west side. So, according to the wind direction, it will flow outward. The loading and unloading has been maintained properly. We have a numerous parking area provided, different parking area for the customers and different parking area for the vendors. These are the single unit plans for each shop with the flexible sizes, storage areas, rolling shutters provided, and a display area and storage area at the same time. Here, the first section is cut through the vegetable market and the parking area, and the second is cut through the retiring rooms, toiletry areas, and the masala and condiment shops. Here the first section is cut through the wet area and the second section is cut through the wet area and recreational space plus the toiletry areas also. Here are some of the views of the market. These are some 3D views of the market.